delusional. And there's a
Okay,
bro.
it's episode 2. We just finishing introducing the evil characters and the good characters and the queen.
Now what? You're not gonna. No, I won't do that. Aaron, you're gonna run out of ammo for a fight. We go. Okay. What the? Ah! I knew I heard. Dang. Okay.
And mystery characters. So now,
I know it.
so now
Yeah, I'm distracting him. I just went places.
so now I'm doing a series now and my first time. And my second time I'm making another series. And my fourth time, my fifth time I'm making another series. So yeah,
Let's
start.
I know it.
we're gonna start the story first and then start the series
Did Vince not have sniper
of
rifle?
what happened.
And I'm shielding up. Oh, and the circle's down. Aaron! I'm hitting them so much. I swing on them? Yes. Good job. Good job, my boy. Oh, don't
Yeah.
One of them was almost knocked dead. No.
Shoot that tree, man. Shoot the tree.
I'm chasing one. It's my bad idea. Should I run?
Come here.
I'm coming, my boy.
Yeah. I got him.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, you did.
Ah, anywhere.
Where is he? Oh, he's the one with the power. Ah! He's 95 watt. I love saying that.
No.
Oscar's frenzy? Wow.
Yeah.
That's who they are?
No.
No.
No, he killed me on the boat.
Where's he? He's there. Ah! Wait, that was him! I was him! I'm panicking! No! Yeah!
Okay.
Go to lobby real quick.
Okay, let's start.
No, we definitely.
This house has been abandoned for 5 or 16 years. And sorry, that was just my brother. He was making a live video. It leaded to a path.
What are you doing? I'm recording the video.
It leaded to a path of a trail. And there was a lot of dead people. And there's lots of the pets in there. There are like a lot of dead pets in there, and no one haven't survived. They even killed one with a key in it. One had a key, but then they didn't make it too. All the pets were dead, except for the good pets.
May I borrow your phone?
This little
Thank
pet
you.
is evil. It had a weapon in its hands. It was so sharp that I couldn't even stop.
Oh, it's here.
He has a mask to disguise himself. And they also took them to jail and captured them.
Oh yeah, it's time to stop playing anymore.
And they broke a part of scarf and made it into a circle.
You guys will be able to lick a lot. Okay, so
And this is where our series begins.
How is your camera stop so early?
Okay. Just get a little.
it doesn't say yet.
Danger.
Just wait.
Be patient, man.
Danger?
If you be patient now,
What's going
then you
on?
get more stuff later.
What's going on with the lights?
Alright, come on.
What just happened? Just happened.
No, we should probably. No, we should probably
Quickly.
play now.
Hey guys, don't you want to lick the icing?
Quickly, quickly, go, kitten, now. I don't want to leave you.
What if we just
Just go.
Uncle Peter's in our room?
I'm gonna come. Just wait. Like lick the icing first.
What kind of icing? Wait, is it like icing?
Yeah, like icing.
To be,
Oh,
To
you're
be-
a maker.
to be.
Okay, so
Is it? I'm sorry.
there's this and
To
I'll just look that.
be.
Okay, I'll just.
do you want a spoon, Noah?
Yeah, I would like to. And I would like space to do it.
To
Wait, Aaron, move.
be.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Continued.
No. Weird.
I don't know what I'm gonna name the title of the series yet, but I'll see you in the next video. If you only subscribe to the channel too.